Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome back to a new video. Today I am telling about how to connect your smart lock Tuya A8 Black with your mobile. First of all, you need to install mobile application that I already installed in my mobile Tuya Smart. So you need to press on the lock 1 hash and enter the administrator authorization. Now see, it is already I registered my face here, so it is open. Then you can just open your mobile application, press add device and go to sensors, and also press sensors plus Wi-Fi, blink quickly, and also here you just connect with your Wi-Fi password. Switch Wi-Fi on 2.4G. When it is connected, then you just come back on your application and see there is the edit the password, and then you press next. Within few minutes it will connect it. Okay, and after see operation succeeded, then press done, and after that there is some loading coming, and when the loading is complete, then you can also open your smart lock with your mobile when someone ring the bell, and also you can generate temporary password and giving password to persons from your mobile. See, there is the temporary password option and also time limit password. You can add by yourself easily. Generate any 6-digit password you can generate also by yourself, and also generate randomly. And you need to remember it, because it will not save in your mobile. Okay, so first you need to remember this password and save and give to the person who want to open your lock like temporarily. See, the request is coming, and also here you can see the picture of that person who is standing in front of your door. See, and also you can swipe and open the lock by your mobile. It will lock with your mobile. Okay, thank you.